How to fix password does not match on Discord. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First thing first, open up your Discord app. And at the section under email or phone number, make sure that you type in your email or phone number correctly. At times, you might type in your phone number when you are used to logging in with your email address. So make sure that you don't make this mistake. And likewise, while typing password, make sure that you also see an eye icon to see what password that you have typed. And if you think your username or phone number and your password both are correct, but still you are not being able to log into your Discord account, you can simply go ahead and reset your password. For that, tap on this forgot your password. And as you tap on forgot your password, it says that an instruction has been sent to the email address that you have mentioned. So simply go ahead and check your email. And as you do so, Discord will send you an email like this. Tap on reset password. Wait for this to load, and the last step is creating yourself a strong password. So go ahead, type in your new password, tap on change password. Just like so, this is how you can fix your Discord password does not match problem.